21th October 2020 Morning Murli Om Shanti Babdada Madhuban. Sweet children, look at your chart every night and also keep a diary, and you will be concerned about not making a loss. Question: which of the father's aspect will instantly touch the fortunate children of the previous cycle? Answer: Baba tells you children ways to have remembrance every day. Only the fortunate children are touched by this. They will instantly put them into practice. Baba says, children, go and sit in the garden in solitude for a little while. Talk to Baba sweetly and keep your chart, and you will continue to make progress. Om Shanti. Those in the military are first of all cautioned. Attention please. The father too cautions you children and asks, do you have the faith that you are souls, and do you remember the Father? You children have been told that it is only at this time that the Father gives you this knowledge. Only the Father teaches you. God speaks. The main thing is who is God, who is teaching you. This is the first thing you have to understand and have faith in. Then you also have to stay in supersensuous joy. You souls should experience so much happiness in having found the unlimited Father. Only once does the Father come and meet you to give you your inheritance. The inheritance of what? He gives you the inheritance of sovereignty over the world, exactly as He did 5,000 years ago. Have the firm faith that the Father has come. He is once again teaching us easy Raj Yoga. He has to teach this. Babies are not taught anything. The words Mama, Baba emerge from their lips automatically because they hear those words. This is the spiritual father. The soul has eternal incognito intoxication. It is souls that have to study. The Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, is the knowledgeful one. He hasn't studied anything. He already has knowledge. Knowledge of what? You souls understand this. Baba has knowledge of the beginning, the middle, and the end of the whole world. He knows how there is establishment of the one religion and destruction of the innumerable religions. This is why he is called Jani Jananhar, means one who knows everything. What is the meaning of Jani Jananhar? No one knows this at all. The Father has told you, children, that you must definitely write the slogan. What can be said if, as a human being, you don't know the Creator or the beginning, the middle, and the end of creation, or its duration or repetition? The word repetition is also most essential. Corrections continue to be made. The picture who is the God of Gita is first class. This is the number one mistake in the whole world. Because of not knowing the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, they say that everyone is a form of God. When you ask a little child, whose child are you? He will reply, so and so's. Then when you ask, whose child is so and so? He will reply, so and so. Then he will say, finally, he is my child. In the same way, because people don't know God, they say, I am God. They worship Him so much and yet they don't know Him. The night of Brahma is remembered. Therefore, it would also definitely be the night of Brahmins. All of these matters have to be imbibed. Only those who have yoga are able to imbibe these things. Remembrance is also said to be a power. Knowledge is your source of income. By having remembrance, you receive the power to be absolved of your sins. You have to connect your intellects in yoga with the Father. It is only at this time and not at any other time that the Father gives this knowledge. No one but the Father can give this. Everything else is either a scripture or a physical ritual of the path of devotion that cannot be called knowledge. Only the one Father has spiritual knowledge and he only gives it to you Brahmins. No one else has spiritual knowledge. There are so many religions, sects, and cults in the world. There are so many opinions. Your children have to make a great deal of effort in order to explain all of this. So many storms arise. It is sung, take my boat across. Not everyone's boat can go across. Some boats will sink and some will stay afloat. Even after 2 to 3 years, no one knows anything about what happened to some boats that sunk. Some boats are completely smashed to pieces. Some boats remain in the same place. This requires a lot of effort. There are so many people who have emerged with artificial yoga. There are so many yoga ashrams. There cannot be any other spiritual yoga ashram. Only the Father comes and teaches you soul spiritual yoga. The Father says this is very easy yoga. There is nothing as easy as this. A soul enters a body and plays his part. The maximum number of births is 84. For others, the number of births is reduced. These things enter the intellects of some of you children. It is with great difficulty that your intellects are able to imbibe this. The first thing the Father explains is wherever you go, first of all give the Father's introduction. Create ways to give the Father's introduction. Only when they have this faith will they understand that the Father is the truth. The Father will definitely only tell you that which is true. You mustn't doubt this. Only in remembrance is the effort, and it is in this that there is opposition from Maya. She repeatedly makes you forget to have remembrance. This is why Baba says, write your chart, then Baba will see who has remembrance and how much too. Not even a quarter% of you write your chart. Some say, I stay in remembrance for the whole day. Baba says that is very difficult. Those who are in bondage and experience beatings are the ones who stay in remembrance day and night. Shiv Baba, when will I be liberated from these relatives? Souls call out, Baba, how can I be liberated from this bondage? If you stay in remembrance a great deal, you should send your chart to Baba. You have been given the direction to write your chart every night and also to keep a diary. By keeping a diary, you would be afraid that you might incur a loss. What would Baba say if he were to say it? That you remember the most beloved Baba for such a short time. You remember your physical father and your wife, and yet you can't remember me for even such a short time. Write your chart and you will feel ashamed. You could see that you would not be able to claim a status in that condition. This is why Baba emphasizes that you must write your chart. Remember the Father and the cycle of 84 births, and you will become a ruler of the globe. Only when you make others similar to yourself will you be able to rule over your subjects. This Raj Yoga is to change from an ordinary human into Narayan. This is your aim and objective. Souls cannot be seen, but they can be understood. It is understood that there is a soul in this one. There will definitely be the kingdom of Lakshmi and Narayan. They made the most effort. That is how they claim the scholarship. They will definitely have many subjects. They claim the highest on high status. They must definitely have had a lot of yoga. For that is how they passed with honors. You have to find the reason why you are not able to have yoga. Your intellects are diverted into all your business complications. You have to make time in that and pay more attention to this. Make time and go and sit in the garden in solitude. Females cannot go there. They have to look after the home. It is easier for the men. The fortunate ones from the previous cycle will be touched by this. The study is very good. Each one's intellect is his own. Under all circumstances, you must claim your inheritance from the Father. The Father gives you all directions, but you children have to follow them. Baba only gives general directions. If someone comes and asks for personal advice, Baba can give that too. When people go on a pilgrimage up a large mountain, the guides caution them. They go with great difficulty. The Father shows you children a very easy way. Remember the Father. Finish all consciousness of your bodies. The Father says, remember me. The Father comes and gives you knowledge and then goes back. There can be no rocket as fast as a soul. People waste so much time in trying to go to the moon. That too is fixed in the drama. That art of science will help in destruction. They have science and you have silence. Consider yourselves to be souls and remember the Father. This is dead silence. I, this soul, am separate from the body. This body is an old shoe. The examples of the snake and the tortoise refer to you. You bust this knowledge and change ordinary humans who are like insects into deities. It is your duty to take them across the ocean of poison to the ocean of milk. Sannyasis don't need to have sacrificial fire or do tapasya. Devotion and knowledge are for householders. Sannyasis don't want to go to the golden age. What do they know of these matters? It is fixed in the drama for those on the path of isolation. Those who have taken the full 84 births will continue to come. According to the drama, they will continue to emerge number-wise. Maya is very powerful. The eyes are very criminal. When you receive the third eye of knowledge, your eyes become civil. Then for half the cycle, they will never become criminal. They deceive you a lot. The more you remember the Father, the cooler your physical senses will become. Then for 21 births, there will not be any mischief of the physical senses. There is no mischief of the physical senses there. All your physical senses become peaceful and satagoni. It is only after you become body conscious that some devilish nature emerges. The Father is making you soul conscious. You receive the inheritance for half the cycle. The more effort you make, the higher the status you claim. You have to make effort to become soul conscious, and then your physical senses will not deceive you. This war will continue until the end. That war will start when you reach your karmatit stage. Day by day, the sound will spread and people will become afraid of death. The Father says this knowledge is for everyone. Simply give the Father's introduction. All of us souls are brothers. All of you remember the one Father. You say God the Father. There are those who believe in nature. However, God does exist. People remember Him in order to receive liberation and liberation in life. There is no eternal liberation. The history and geography of the world have to repeat. The intellect says that when there was the golden age, there was just one Bharat alone. People don't know anything at all. There used to be the kingdom of Lakshmi and Narayan. It cannot be a matter of hundreds of thousands of years. If it were hundreds of thousands of years, the population would be so large. The father says the iron age is now coming to an end and the golden age is being established. Those people believe that the iron age is still in its infancy and that its duration is many thousands of years. You children know that the cycle is only 5000 years. Establishment is taking place in Bharat. Bharat is now becoming heaven. We are now establishing this kingdom by following Srimad. The father says, now constantly remember me alone. This is the first thing you have to tell them. Until they have faith in the Father, they will continue to ask questions. When they don't receive an answer to a particular question, they say, you tell us that God is teaching you and yet you don't know anything. Therefore, first of all, just stay on this one aspect. First of all, they should have faith in the Father, that the Father of all souls is truly one and that He is the Creator. He definitely comes at the confluence age. The Father says, I don't come in every age. I come at the confluence of the cycles. I am the Creator of the new world. How could I come in the middle of the cycle? I come between the old one and the new one. This is called the most elevated confluence age. It is here that you become the most elevated. Lakshmi and Narayan are the most elevated of all. This aim and objective is so easy. Tell everyone that establishment of this is now taking place. Baba has told you that you must definitely use the words most elevated because it is here that you change from degraded ones into the most elevated ones. You mustn't forget these main things. You must also definitely write the dates of the time periods. Your kingdom starts at the beginning. The kingdoms of others don't exist at the beginning. It is only after the founders of their religions come that their religions expand. Their kingdoms start when there are millions of them. Your kingdom starts at the beginning of the golden age. It doesn't enter anyone's intellect where the kingdom of the golden age came from. At the end of the iron age, there are many religions. So, how was there just one religion and one kingdom in the golden age? There were so many palaces studded with the diamonds and jewels. Bharat was such that it was called paradise. It was a matter of 5000 years ago. How could there be a calculation if it were hundreds of thousands of years? Human beings are so confused. Now, who can explain this to them? They don't believe that they are in the devil's kingdom. The praise of the deities is full of all virtues, completely viceless. They don't have the 5 vices because they are soul conscious. Therefore, the Father says the main thing is remembrance. Having taken 84 births, you have become impure and you now have to become pure. This is the cycle of the drama. Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost, and now found children, love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, Bab Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children says Namaste and good morning to the spiritual father. Essence for the dharana. Adopt the third eye of knowledge and make your deceitful eyes civil. It is only by having remembrance that your physical organs will become peaceful and totally pure. Therefore, just make this effort. Second point, make time during your work to sit in solitude and have remembrance. Try to find the reason why you are unable to have yoga. Definitely write your chart. Blessing. May you have judgment power and controlling power and become a constant embodiment of success. Explanation. In order to achieve success in any worldly or spiritual task, you especially need controlling power and judgment power, because when souls come into connection with you, you first have to judge as to what those people need, to feel their pulse and then satisfy them according to their desire, and to influence others with your controlling power and your unshakable stage. These two powers will make you an embodiment of success on the field of service. Slogan. Make the Almighty Authority Father your companion and Maya will become a paper tiger. Om Shanti.